Hi guys, Peter Boddy here from Somatraining and ELDOA UK. I just wanted to do this quick video to sort of explain what exactly happens during the ELDOA 1 and 2 intensive certification course. So this is a 4-day course where we focus on the general ELDOA exercises, all the exercises from L5-S1 to all the way to C2 spinal segments. So the course generally starts with the introduction of ELDOA, the concept of ELDOA, the philosophy of ELDOA, and the history of ELDOA, as in what techniques contributed to the inception of this great technique. So the ELDOA itself is focusing on osteoarticular decoaptation to create space in specific articulation, in this course specifically on the spine. So this technique is achieved through self-induced myofascial tension. Okay, so the large portion of this course is actually dedicated to how to do that. But after these 3 parts of the course, we're going to focus on the anatomy and biomechanics of the spine before jumping into the practical applications, starting with special osteoarticular warm-up of the spine. Biomechanically correct postures and exercises to stimulate different parts of the spinal segment. Then we're going to start with the first ELDOA exercise, which is going to be normally the L5-S1 lumbosacral junction. And during the 4 days, we progressively work our way through level by level, segment by segment, going up through the spine, as I said, all the way to C2 and 3 segment. A lot of emphasis and a big chunk of this course is dedicated to the factors of progression, or in other words, how to individualize the technique to the person in front of you, how to regress in any progressive, and in what supplementary exercises you may need to use in order to get to the final position of the ELDOA. So individualizing is the most important. The premise of ELDOA lies in the precision of the technique. If the technique is not precise, you might have a position and you might get a nice exercise out of it, but it may not work on the precise segment. And this is the whole premise of the ELDOA, to deco up that segment, to create space in that articulation. If you think about it, there's different morphologies, so different body type, different spinal curvature, range of motion, soft tissue tension, body awareness, and possible injuries. So we need to all account for this when we're coaching and instructing somebody to do the ELDOA. This is precisely why you cannot learn an ELDOA from a picture or video, because the ELDOA exercise for the person in that picture or video is for that person, given that they know what they're doing, and may not be the same for you. So I can have 2-3 different body types in front of me and 3 different exercises working on the same spinal level with slight modifications. So these are the things that we're going to focus on during this course. You're going to be working with your partners, with your classmates, alternating between each other to experiment different body types, different personality, different coaching, different palpation on the spine, to really learn yourself how to precisely execute a position and coach it at the same time, emphasizing the different factors of progression through the progression all the way through the spine. My goal as an instructor is to make sure that by the time we finish on the last day, you're confident enough to walk out there the next day and apply these exercises to your clients, patients, or athletes, depending on the environment you work in. We're going to focus on the most frequently used ELDOAs, what ELDOAs for postural issues, how to apply it for scoliosis, how to introduce it to kids, how to incorporate it into your exercise program and your program design, and so on. So I really hope that this clarifies a little bit and explains, and whether you're a trainer, physiotherapist, chiropractor, osteopath, yoga teacher, Pilates teacher, personal trainer, I would really encourage you to come to this course, and I hope to see you there. I look forward to seeing you in the next course.